Hi nail fam, I hope that you guys are doing well. It is your girl Tia Bella back again with another video. Hope you've had a wonderful week. It has been raining cats and dogs all week here in Ireland, and I believe possibly in the UK as well, not that it matters. So I would like to share some new products that Born Pretty was kind enough to send me. They've sent me over 4 gel polishes, it seems, and also a super shine silver metal painting gel, according to the message that they sent me. This one is actually supposed to be much superior to the other one, so this one is much more shinier than the other one, so we're going to be putting these to the test. This is how the package arrived. They're all shrink wrapped. I'm just going to go ahead and peel these off and be right back. Okay, so all of the plastic wrapping I was able to take off. So now we're just going to go, I think they all have the same packaging on the outside, so there's no difference. There's no numbering or anything like that. So you're going to actually have to go through your gel polishes if you decide to order from Born Pretty. I do have a discount code. And then when you open up the bottle, you'll see that there's like a little sticker to the side here that has the number. And this one is JN38. So we are going to swatch these. I'm just going to quickly open them all up initially. Loving the new packaging. Remember, it used to be like the black short bottles with similar caps like this. But they've gone very much, very lush, very luxe. Are these the same thing? No, they're not. J38 and JN10. And some of them you can't really see the numbers, but it does have like a little peekaboo window. So this right here is like a little peekaboo. JN42. And the final one is JN29. Like you can't really see much. Like I can see that these ones look like they're red. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my swatch sticks here. It's also very windy and I had to close my door, but I have the window open. So the breeze is coming through my window and it's shaking the door. That's how windy it is. So if you hear any background noise, that's what's going on. The wind is fighting in my room. Okay, so now let's go ahead and, ooh, look at that. What is this? Is this gel polish or is this giving, this is giving me builder gel kind of vibe. So we're just gonna apply it. It's quite thick there, so let's have a quick look. I don't know. I mean, it's going on smoothly like gel polish. Maybe this is the jelly. Maybe this is one of the new jellies. This is really pretty. Gives it a nice soft tint to the nail. Okay, so that is the first one. I was thinking it was builder gel vibes, but I'm thinking it's just jelly gel polish because I didn't have to like kind of level it or shape it or anything like that. Okay, so that is the first one. Now let's gonna move on to this one here. Ooh, that looks like glass. Look at that. Wow, look at that syrup piece. Oh, this is pigmented, eh? Oh my goodness, I don't even have to like, I didn't even put the brush on good. That is stunning. Okay, I think I need to go and get the rest of these ones because the trend with the little water thing, you know, the water nails, and they had to use like a dark blue kind of glass jelly kind of gel polish. I don't have that. So this is right here. This needed to be blue and I could have done the little trendy thing, but I mean, summer is almost over anyway. That is absolutely stunning. Beautiful gel polish there. I love it. JN38. All right, JN42. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, looks like we have another glass as well. These are so pretty. And if this is as pigmented as that first one, oh wow. Look at that. I mean, I haven't even stroked it good yet. This would be perfect for Christmas. This would be perfect for some, this reminds me of the Heineken beer bottle. Not that I drink or anything. It just reminds me of that. When my daddy used to drink it. with daddy. And it going on smoothly, no streaks or nothing. Like that's a good formula right there. Good formula right there. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I mean, you can definitely go in with a second layer. Excuse my chair creaking. I still need a new chair. You can definitely go in with a second layer to give it, you know, if you wanted it to be just a little bit more darker. Oh my goodness. I talked too soon. What? Is this the blue that I need in my life? Is this it? Oh my gracious. This the blue right here. Listen to me talking and I didn't even know what I had in front of me. Oh, look at how beautiful this blue is. I'm not gonna try that trend, you know. I'm not gonna fool with that because I don't even have clear nails on right now. Oh, that is stunning. I just said I didn't have a blue, and here it is, just sitting in front of me, nice and calm. That is stunning. Beautiful glass. Looks just like the ocean. All right, I'm just gonna stick that under my UV lamp, give that a quick cure for 60 seconds, and then we need to test out this metal painting gel and see what the hype is about. It's supposed to be the most super shiniest silver on the planet. So I'm just gonna open this up very quickly and we'll come right back. Okay, so they are done polishing. I'm gonna go in with Born Pretty's super top coat on here. I was just a little bit curious. I wanted to see how it would look if I went in with a second layer, if it got just a little bit darker. Sometimes I forget that people like to see the different, you know, 1 stroke, 2 stroke. So if I go in with a second one, just see if there's any significant difference. A little bit darker. Yeah, it is just a little bit darker. So definitely if you want to build up on the color, I mean, obviously it's a jelly, so it's not going to get opaque or anything. It's just going to be, you know, light jelly, medium jelly, or dark jelly. So I think 2 layers definitely for that blue. And I'm thinking 2 layers for this green as well. So this is how the green looks with just 1 layer. And we're gonna go ahead and see if it gets just a little bit darker. And it does. It does get much darker. This is the green here that I like. That's absolutely perfect. Got a little bit of fuzz on there, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put those 2 into fully charge. I mean, cure, sorry. I'm gonna leave the pink the way it is. I don't think that needs any more. It's stunning by itself, but obviously if you wanted it to be a little bit darker, you can definitely go in. Just gonna grab my Born Pretty Super Top Coat, which is one of my absolute favorites products from them. I love their rubber-based gel. I've talked about their rubber-based gel before. I love their reinforcement gel, and I love their Super Top Coat. So if there are 3 products that you get, definitely try those out. And their pat paint gels. So take advantage of my discount code as well as some sales that's going to be happening or is already happening. For this one, I would go in with, let's see first. I would definitely go in with another layer for this one. So let's see if we get a little bit more opacity here. And we do. So 2 layers definitely for this color here, unless you want it to be really, really sheer. But try to remember that these are swatch sticks. So there's no base layer on here to help make sure that the polish is, you know, laying down uniform. But that is still a beautiful color, a nice color that can be worn by itself. I'm just gonna stick that under the UV lamp. And then these 2, I'm going to put some super top coat on, then we can get those cured under the UV lamp. So much fuzz. This white mat is from Aliano. And I love it. It's a silicone mat and it just catches all of the dirt. Like if you have a spillage, it's easy to just clean it up because it's gonna dry. You can cure your spillage onto this silicone mat and then just peel it off compared to like having to wipe it up with a paper towel or something. But because it's silicone, it catches a lot of dust as well. So everything has its pros and its cons. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop those under the UV lamp. So we're done with these gel polishes. Born Pretty, thank you so much for sending these. They are absolutely amazing and also affordable. Now the star of the show is supposed to be this one. Guys, I was opening this just now with my what you call this, cuticle cutter, and some of the silver got onto this and it made this look brand new. So are you ready? Brace yourself. I don't think you're ready. You're not ready for this jelly. Well, it's not a jelly, but anyway, brace yourselves for the world's most amazing, super shiniest silver metal paint. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. It's like a mirror. Like, what? Are you seeing? I can't even move it because it's a lot in there. Oh my goodness, it's like a mirror. Like, are you serious right now? Absolutely amazing formula. You have to be careful. You don't want to spill this. Clean up on aisle 2. And like, look at that, guys. I'm just rubbing this off, and it is it is stunning. Like, it is really liquid silver. I can't get over that. Like, I mean, I know Born Pretty is amazing already, but oh, I love it. I want to do some silver nails. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use one of my nail art brushes, and I'm just gonna do it on one of the swatch sticks here because I just want to test it out and see. Oh my gosh, look at how stunning this is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a little blob on to this nail. Insane. Insane. I feel like this is gonna be such an edgy kind of nail design. Like, I feel like I want to do some chains and, you know, something gothic or something. That's stunning. Excuse the background noise again, guys. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Look at that, guys. Look at it. Like, I don't think I've done any silver, like real proper silver nail, and going on so smooth. This is a nail art dream. So easy. Once you have the right brush, and this brush I got from Amazon. It should be linked in my Amazon store, linked down in my bio or in the description box. That is amazing. And you could do whatever you like, you know. If you feel like you want to go outside of the box and do something squiggly, you have the opportunity to do so. I'm just showing you that you can do whatever you want. Like, you can do whatever. Insane. The shininess is there. Okay, I'm gonna cure this and I'm gonna see if there's a tacky layer, and I'll let you know if you have to top coat this or not. I'm impressed. Born Pretty, like, I tell you, I be having nail gasms. Absolutely. Just look how pigmented it. You're really gonna have to clean this off with some good isopropyl alcohol or something on your brush. Absolutely amazing product. I want to do my nail silver. I'm gonna leave this on my desk. I'm gonna stare at this every morning and remind myself that I need to do something with this metal paint. So let's let this cure under the UV lamp. And by the way, this fluorescent, let me bring this close to you. Like, I don't know if you could see underneath there. It is like super bright. Like, this is the jelly, and it doesn't look like a, you know, like one of those dragon. Like, it looks gothic. It looks like it's from medieval times. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. The other ones don't do that. No, nothing happens to the other ones. It's just that one has like this fluorescent vibe going on. Anyway, it's finally done. Let's see if there's a tacky layer. There's no tacky layer. So you don't have to top coat this. You can just go about your life and not have to worry. I thought I had to top coat this, but I don't. Guys, I'm impressed. I'm in love. I can't wait to do some nail art with this. Oh my goodness. So these are all of the products that Bon Pretty was kind enough to send me. Swatches are done. Definitely go on with 2 with those jellies, as well as with this kind of milky, kind of pinky one. And super top coat, metal painting gel, reinforcement gel. Get those. Use my discount code. Quick video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.